Hi, my name is Cheryl Dei. I'm the Group Director Client Experience at Lifecare International. This is my amazing team, Dr. Amith and Rafael. We all work in the client experience and engagement team, and we've attended the 2-day workshop. It was phenomenal from an aspect of not overrating and not overhyping up, using AI in today's world and not getting overwhelmed by fancy names. They taught us today the simplicity of using simple terminologies as copy paste and run the RAG word. I think what I liked today was also the fact that they spoke to us about the power of the experts in the industry and how L2 levels and L1 levels, usually most team members give it out to the younger generations to do AI, when really they taught us how easy it was to copy paste and run things. So I think there was some great learning from me, and Dr. Amith will confirm what else did he learn.
No, I think it was really educational these past couple of days. The main takeaways were the capabilities AI has in terms of transforming not just the customer service industry that we are in, but a lot of other things. And it's going to take a while for us to figure out a lot of ideas. And I just have to say that, these 2 days have made us less scared of AI and more looking forward to it. So I think it's going to be fun moving forward.
Absolutely.
Thank you to Vijal Institute and to Adi and the team. Thank you.